Okay, here we are on part 2. We're going to be adding. I'm just going to do one example. So the problem is sine t plus cosine t times cotangent t. Get used to any old variable. So t is often used in physics for time, so it's nice to practice with it. I circled this because this is where we want to start on this one because I don't see anything I can factor. And I don't see any direct substitutions from my trig ID list except right here. And I learned that cotangent is the same as cosine over sine. I have to commit that one to memory because it comes up so often. All right. Again, this expression is the same as this. So they're identical. We call them IDs. Now, some of our problems, when we make this substitution, this will cancel this and we're happy to go. But this one, it doesn't. So we have to go with the flow and let our mathematical nose, just follow your nose, your mathematical nose. Cosine t times cosine t is cosine squared t. And now is where I don't have any other choice but to add. So we're going to add these, and recall to add when you have fractions is you have to have a common denominator. There's no written denominator here, so I'll emphasize that it's a 1, and the denominator here is sine t. To give them a common denominator, I'm going to use sine t. So to create a sine t in the denominator, the only mathematically sound way is to multiply this by sine t over itself, which is a big fat 1. So when you multiply anything by 1, it only changes how it appears, not its value. So sine t over sine t is 1. We're going to multiply that times this fraction only. So we do that, we get sine squared t on the top, sine t on the bottom. Come back. All right, plus cosine squared t over sine t. Now they have the same denominator. So just like if they were thirds or fourths or fifths, I can write the common denominator under the sum of the numerators. The common denominator is sine t. Now that should ring a bell. Bing, bing, bing. Up here, sine t plus cosine t, or any variable, equals 1. So the top equals 1. This whole thing is just a 1, and the bottom is sine t. Now some students like to stop there, but actually we do not want to leave a fraction line in our answer if possible. So I know from another trig ID that the reciprocal of sine, 1 over sine, is the cosecant. And that's as simple as this one will get. All right. I hope that you are successful at these little puzzles, and we will see more about that tomorrow. Till then, have a good rest of your night. Bye.